Hey, what's going on YouTube fam? This is your boy C Will back to you with another video. Man, I'm super excited about what we have here today. Why? Because I have not one, but two Google Home Minis. And man, these have kind of been one of the hottest tech items for this holiday season. And you've been seeing these popping up everywhere. They've been having some great deals on the actual Google Home Minis. So I'm super excited for one to be reviewing this today and also doing an unboxing and just a real quick overview about how it works, what we like about it, how can you use it, and this is also a great gift that's up under 50 bucks. But also I'm super excited because I have two in my hands. That means that one is actually going to be given away. So we are quickly coming up on the 100 subscriber mark, and though we do all things tech, but one of my gifts is definitely being able to give one of these away to a lucky subscriber. So if you are subscribed to the channel, so one of the caveats is that you have to follow me on Instagram as well as being a subscriber. So as soon as we hit the 100 subscriber mark, I think we're close to like 80 subscribers right now, but as soon as we hit 100, then I definitely will be sending out one of these Google Home Minis to a lucky subscriber who is also following me on Instagram. Once you do that, I will be searching out for that person that's following me on Instagram and also who is a subscriber. I look forward to sending this out. As soon as I find a lucky winner, I will shoot you a DM, send you a message, whether it's on Instagram or on somewhere in the comments on my YouTube channel. But definitely just be looking out for that. Don't forget to follow us on all forms of social media. If you would like to support the channel even further, follow us on Patreon so you could be able to contribute a little bit more. And let's get into this video. Alright guys, so look at what we got here. We have the Google Home Minis. And again, we got two of them here, and we are giving one away to a lucky winner. So definitely, again, the qualifications are you have to be subscribed to the channel, and you also have to follow me on Instagram at Will Creatives. And we have here the charcoal version, and let's go ahead and get this open. And man, like I said, these have been like all over everywhere. And you can definitely get a good deal on these. These are actually going for $29.99 right now, so they're definitely, I believe that they are a great price under the $50 amount. And as you can see on the side here, it's a couple of programs this thing is compatible with. It talks about being compatible with Nest, Philips, Hue, Wemo, of course the Google Chromecast, Google Photos, Spotify, Netflix, and YouTube. And you can actually go to get a full growing list of compatible apps and partners. You go to g.co.mini/partners. So let's see here. So it says just to start with, okay Google, and then my Note 9 wakes up. And the box is packaged pretty good. So let's see here. Ah, sweet. This is it. It's in the hands. It's almost about the size of a donut. I love this charcoal version. Pinkish red on the bottom. As you can see here, it's a micro USB port. So it looks like there is a switch for the microphone, so you can switch it on and off, which is a good thing. You don't always want this listening in on your conversation. Google. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we have here in the box. You got the manual here, USB power plug. So looks like that may be it. Definitely simple packaging. So we got a let's get started. We got to get to know your Google Home Mini. And we got be safe and warning. This is real similar to the Amazon Echo as far as the same small form factor. I think this is going to be a great addition to my desk. As you can see here, got Logitech speakers, we got the Alienware mouse and keyboard. We got a bunch of stuff that's here on the desk here, but I think this is going to be a great inclusion. Real simple setup instructions. Plug it in, connect the power adapter to your Google Home Mini. Get the app. So we will download the app on the Galaxy Note 9 here from the Google Play Store or the App Store. And when they say the App Store, they mean also if you have an Apple iPhone. So you can either use your Apple iPhone or you could use the Galaxy Note 9. Alright, so we got this plugged into our surge protector. Now let's go ahead and plug this thing up for the first time. And as you can see, there are some dots. So it has 4 lights that's popping up here. And I believe this is also touch sensitive. So Ah, okay, Google.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so as you can see, the speaker volume actually sounds pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go ahead and download this on the Galaxy Note 9 first, and then we'll also do the iPhone XS Max. And definitely, if you want to see more videos on this phone, full review is coming over this phone, so just stay tuned to that as well, especially a comparison between these two. But I digress. All right, so we're going to go to the actual Google Play Store, and we're going to search for the Google Home Mini, and it says Google Home. Let's go ahead and hit install. All right, so the Google Home Mini app is installing. All right, so it says welcome home. Your content and devices are all in one place. Get started, and let's use Will Creatives. Check up on your home when you're away, or use it as a remote for your Google Home, Chromecast, other devices. So that's pretty cool. Create a home. Let's get started. Set up new home devices in your home. Home nickname. Let's just say Will Creatives. Keep it simple. Simple and consistent. That's cool. Google Home Mini found. Okay. Would you like to set up this device? We're going to say yes. All right. Okay. We got some action here. We did hear the sign. You can confirm. We got blue lights right here. Where is this device? Choose a location for your Google Home Mini. Then Wi-Fi. Yes. My phone is already connected to the Wi-Fi network, so it looks like it's just sharing that password information with the Google Home Mini, so I didn't have to type in anything. So let's go ahead and get the voice match. Looks like you already set up voice match with your Google Assistant on another device. So I did set this up on my Galaxy Note 9. All right, so my address is already in there. Confirm address. So I do have YouTube Music because I have YouTube Premium membership. Google Music Play, Google Play Music is actually included with my subscription. I actually have Spotify, so let me add that. Okay, so default music service, YouTube Music, Google Play Music, Spotify. Click next. Add your video services. So the speaker is now ready.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Hey Google, play some music.
Playing some music on Spotify.
Hey Google, set volume to 100%. Let's try to get some answers. So, hey Google, how do you say nice to meet you in Korean?
만나서 반갑습니다.
Hey Google, how is the S&P 500 doing?
As of 4:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, the S&P 500 is down 2.08% to 2,546.
Oh, now that's smart. Man, this is smart. Okay, let's see. Hey Google, tell me about my day.
Hi, you've found the new Good Morning routine. Let's try it together. First, let's see what your day looks like. Currently, it's 47 and clear. Tonight, it's predicted to be 47 and clear. The best way to get to work by car is via Beaver Ruin Road and will take about 35 minutes in light traffic. Next, I'll play the news. And just so you know, you can customize this routine. I can also turn on lights, start coffee, play music, play a podcast, and more. To customize your Good Morning routine, check out routine settings in the Google Home app. Have a great day. Here's the latest news. From NPR News Now at 9 p.m. today.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Jack Spear.
Hey Google, stop. So, as you can see, this actually works very well. I could definitely see using this on a daily basis. You can also make voice calls with this. So let's check this out. Let's see here. Hey Google, call wifey.
Sure. Since this is your first call with Google Home, here's a couple of notes. First, emergency numbers are not available. At the end of your call, tell me to hang up. Mobile or work?
Mobile.
Calling wifey, mobile.
Hello.
Oh, so it works. All right. Hey Google, hang up. So that is sweet. Guys, let me tell you, that's phenomenal. That actually, I think that may work better on the speaker than it does on the phone. This is a great assistant. It's something that's great to have. It's good to have on your desk to kind of be able to help you out while you're rummaging around. The speaker sounds great. A lot of it is hands-free. So let's circle back and let's take a look at a couple more of the features. All right, so it looks like, just take a look at some of the things that's in the manual here. This actually has touch controls. On the left side, you tap the left side for the volume down. All right, so when you do this, as you can see, when you tap the left side, the lights, so this is touch sensitive. If you tap the right side, it turns the volume up. Alright, so that's the top of the volume, so it turns that up. Hey Google, play Leo Laporte podcast.
Okay, here's the latest episode of The Tech Guy, 1550, Sunday, December 16th, 2018.
Netcasts you love.
Hey
From
Google,
people you
stop. If you long press on the side,
Trust.
so as I just seen there, that's just part of the touch controls. If you long press, it plays. If you long press again, it stops it and pauses it. So that's pretty cool. If you have multiple Google Home Minis, you can actually say which devices in different rooms or bedrooms or whatever the case may be. You can actually tell it, to either do a kind of like a casting call. Let's say you have maybe 3 or 4 of these. You could tell them all at one time to say, hey, dinner's ready in 5 minutes or whatever the case may be. So you can actually do that as well. So that's pretty cool. I love this smart speaker. I could definitely recommend it. You should definitely be able to find the Google Home Mini for $29 or less. There have been some great deals going on around. I'll post a couple of links in the description below about a couple of things. But hey, let me know down in the comments what you think about the Google Home Mini. This is definitely just a quick unboxing, quick overview. I really like this, and hopefully, again, I will be giving one of these away. So if you are the lucky subscriber and also you're following me on Instagram, look out as we cross over and hit the 100 subscriber mark. Man, I hope you was super excited about what we was able to show you here today. Again, I think these are some really great gifts, some great items that you could be able to give out to your family, or either give it to yourself. It doesn't matter. And hey, I think these are a great gift, great items. You could actually connect multiple of the Google Smart Home speakers together. So hey, try it out for yourself. Let me know how it works. If you got one for yourself for Christmas, or if you got one for the holidays, or even if you was just gifting it out to somebody, let me know down in the comments. And again, don't forget to share, like, subscribe to the channel. And again, we'll be giving one of these away. So I look forward to seeing who that lucky winner is going to be. See you in the next video.